Guys, welcome back. Welcome on my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Bukola. Welcome. I talk about skincare products that you can find available around you and bunch of every other stuff as well. The last video that I did was on Pureform, where I talk about their bleaching or peeling soap that can help with people who have tough skin. In case you're just coming across my face and you have a tough skin, you use a lot of product that is not working and you feel like your skin is not just getting anything in, you might probably have to watch that video. I might leave a link in the description box. Just the video that I posted before this one that you're watching. If you're interested, you can go check it out. In that video, I mentioned something that they have the retinoic soap. You guys know retinol and tretinoid, how powerful they are, and I think a lot of you guys got interested in that should tell them more how to use it and if you can use it all over your body. Say some things that I know about it because I have the soap here right here with me, and I will tell you some things that I've noticed. It's not the very first time that I'm going to be talking about this soap on this channel. I've talked about this soap before. When I first used this soap back then, it was so like it kind of dry up my face so much. Now I notice it does not dry up my face like that because I tried it this morning actually, and that was why I decided that I'm going to make this video today. And one thing I noticed is back then when I first tried it, I have not really introduced myself to a lot of chemical exfoliants or a lot of all this acid. Now that I'm really into it, I've used azelaic acid, I've used retinoid, I've used glycolic acid, I've used salicylic acid, I've tried lactic. Skin can now hold a little, and that's what I always say. It's a gradual process. If you are just starting out, be very patient and be very consistent with it. You are going to get used to it and your skin is going to get used to it as well. So I used it this morning. Firstly, this is what this soap looks like. It is very transparent. I don't know if you guys can see me through it. If I'm just to judge based off of the price, it's not really affordable but can be affordable to some people because I got this for 800 naira. Yeah, so some people might find it affordable, some people might not find it affordable. It actually helps to glow your skin. Retinol is good. Retinol is good. If you're not new on my channel, I've talked about retinol and how powerful it is for your dark spots, for your stretch mark and stuff. Retinol is just like a younger sister to tretinoid, and I've talked about that one as well. I've talked about these two together on this channel as well. Retinol is just like a younger brother to tretinoid. If there's somebody who just wants to introduce themselves to tretinoid, they always tell them to start with retinol. This particular soap is not soapy. It doesn't lather well, like you know those foam that people like to see when they're having their bath. This particular one does not do like that. Let me just be honest with you guys. It does not do like that, but you can always apply it on water and apply it on your face, apply it all over your body, just like I always tell you to use your soap for a very good result. Also good for pimples, fine lines, wrinkles. You can buy for your mom. Exactly, you can buy for your mom can use it as well. Just that where I am going is because it is retinol and because it is a soap, I am not going to advise you to use it in the morning. So if you're somebody who is used to having your bath at night, this can be your night soap. You can actually use it with sponge. You can decide not to use it with sponge because there are lots of people who don't even use sponge. I use sponge on my body, but I have not used sponge on my face for the past 10 or 11 years because it kind of irritates my skin, and that was when I realized that my face does not like sponge, and I stopped using it back then in secondary school. Somebody who use sponge, you can use it with sponge, you can use it like that on your body. I'm just telling you that it doesn't lather so well, it's not that soapy and stuff like that. So use it at night because it's going to make your skin sensitive. This is very effective to glow your skin and to lighten your skin and your dark area as well, especially your dark inner thigh, all those bikini areas. See, people are so keen, we are so keen, especially ladies, so conscious of that particular area. Those bikini areas, you can use this particular soap on that area as well. But just that if you use this soap in the morning and you know you are going out, use it all over your body. It can be used all over the body, it can be used on the face as well. Please, if you use it in the morning and you go out, actually get darker when you're using it that way. Reason because it makes your skin super sensitive, and I'm not going to lie, a lot of us in Nigeria here are only concerned about using sunscreen on our face. We don't apply it all over our body. So if you are just protecting your face from the sun, how about your other part of the body? So if you know you want to use this particular soap, make it your night soap. Your skin is going to glow so well, your skin is going to look young. It's actually like an anti-aging soap. It's going to help you clear your wrinkles. And I want you guys to know that wrinkles is not only on the face. Your hands can get wrinkled, your feet can get wrinkled, your neck can get wrinkled, any part of your body can get wrinkled. So don't think maybe when we're talking about things for wrinkles, it's just for the face. And that's why I said it can be used for your face and your body. Just make sure you're not using it in the morning, and just make sure that whenever you use it on your face, even during the day, you have a sunscreen on, so that just to prevent your skin, because all of these things will not give you a good result if you don't have a sunscreen to it. My initial plan was to have a recap with you guys, but I think this I need a video dedicated to this soap is so good, so effective as well. It doesn't lather so well, but it's so effective. It will give you that glow. Trust me, it's retinoic. Go and read about retinoic. It will definitely give you that glow. And when you're using it on your face, maybe at night, don't use vitamin C with it, don't use glycolic acid with it. It's going to increase your skin sensitivity, and it might as well irritate your skin. So I hope this really helps you guys. Where I'm actually going is the fact that I said you can use their product on your body as well doesn't mean this should be used on your body and then you walk out on the sun during the day, no sunscreen, nothing, you're going to get darker. You not see a good result. If you want to use it, this can serve as your night soap, and if you're using it, please let me know. It's super effective. It does not dry out my own skin. If you're just starting it out, it might dry out your skin. It does not really dry out my skin. Like, I don't feel too tight on my skin, but if you're just starting out, you might feel that exact way. So let me know if you're using this soap in the comment section, and let me know if you'll be purchasing one. If you have gotten the bleaching one that I talk about to help with soft skin, let me know as well in the comment section, and let me know how you're using it as well. Before you go, please do me a favor, smash the subscribe button, please turn your bell notification on as well, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video.